Hamad International Airport, Qatar. They created a stunning indoor tropical garden that feels like something out of Avatar. It's officially called the Orchard Herb, a massive glass dome space filled with over 300 trees and 25,000 plants brought in from sustainable forests around the world. With its natural light, water features, and futuristic design, many travelers compare it to the lush, magical world of James Cameron's Avatar. It's more than just a garden. It's designed as a calming oasis for passengers, with walking paths, relaxation zones, and panoramic views of the terminal. The orchard has quickly become one of the most photographed spots in global airports, symbolizing how Doha blends technology with nature.